B. So, hello everyone. We have chosen the Google problem statement, which is use of Google Cloud. And with this, we have created a web app, Pardarshita, for registering public complaint. So, let's see how it works. Yeah.
So now my friend is going to sign up with a new account. He put his email and password and his initials. So we can see he has signed up. Now he'll log out and log in again. The same account. So we can see he is logged in. Now he'll post a new complaint in our app. We have pre-written our particular complaint. We can see that a new complaint has been updated in our app, and it has been updated in the notification section as well. The time of the complaint is also been mentioned. And now to show you guys, our friend is going to post a new complaint, which will be updated in a few seconds.
Yes, so actually for the demo purpose, we have requested our friend to sign up first, and then he will post the complaint so that you can see how it. I have shown you the working, and then you can see how this is working, how this will work for the normal public. Like this is my screen, how he is posting the complaint, and how other people can see. So basically, we know that nowadays how government is controlling the flow of information, how government is controlling the data. So see, you can see he has posted the complaint. You can see the notification, and you can see his complaint. Okay. So the best thing about our app is, if you are registering a complaint, let's say with the government site, the other citizen may not be knowing about the issue you have raised, but with this site, you can see what issue they have raised. And this is not a social media. It looks like a social platform. Obviously, it's a social platform, but it's not a social media. It's so here the other citizens, they can see which issue you have raised and whether government is solving that issue or not, and how much popular that particular issue is. So we have used Firebase as a backend. Yes.
So the first service which we have used in our Firebase is authentication. When a new user has signed up, we are storing their information here. Coming to the second service, which is the Cloud Firestore, as we can see on the screen. Here we can see our project information and the information which have been posted by user. Also the notification data, which is already seen in the website, can be seen here. For the notification purpose, we have used the Firework function. These are the functions
which are Firebase functions we have used.
Finally, we have deployed our project by using the Google Firebase.
So now in a second we are going to discuss the code a bit. Yes.
So sir, this is our code. We have made use of the React.js as the front end with the Redux library implemented. As you can see, we have added different components like navbar, etc. So thank you for giving us such a golden opportunity. Obviously, our app is not really perfect yet, but we have tried to make most of the time we got. It was such a great experience learning new things. In future, we have planned to implement more things to our app. Basically, our aim was to give public a transparent platform where they can assist the government, and also for the government to interact with the public in a proper manner.
Yeah. So thank you again, sir.
So just to give you a demo of our polling, we have created a small app which is a subset of main app. This is connected to the Firebase. So with this feature, let's say government has posted an idea on which they want to implement on the public. So based on the public popularity, government can take the decision.
So we haven't integrated this poll feature in our main app, but just to show you and just to give you an idea how it will work, we are showing you the demo, and this is actually very important for what we actually want to do with our main app Pardarshita. So you can see here upvoted, now here downvoted. So both the features, and one cannot vote more than one time. So yeah, so again, thank you for giving us the opportunity, and thank you.